Hello, hello. Ajay, leave the wire down. Is this bad or is that? Uh,
Yeah, ready? My favorite. Again.
Hi, I'm Vinay, and I'm the video editor and content strategist for Humans of Indian Football. And since I'm going to be editing this, I'll keep it short because Siju is going to talk a lot.
Hi, I'm Siju, and just like when I mentioned, I'll be talking a lot. So let's start. What is my role at HOIF? As you must have guessed it, I do a lot of talking and writing for HOIF, and that includes podcasting and writing for profile stories.
Hi, I'm Ajay, and what is my role at HOIF? Vinay, do you know? Okay, I'm quickly doing this because Siju is giving me some time to speak and I want to get this in as soon as possible. So I do a little bit of everything: business development, sales, helping them out with content, and during the lockdown I also learned how to do some creatives online. So yeah.
My name is Ashutosh Mishra and I came up with the hashtag Footy Cocktails.
So talking about experience, hey Jana. So as I was saying, experiences, right? To look back, the most thing that makes me happiest is that I'm back to podcasting. And one thing that I'm not liking is right now talking in front of a camera, as you can see that. And look back at the past 1 year, I would say yes, the Kerala moment, the Kerala trip that we did was the best. But I have enjoyed meeting a lot of people. A lot of stories been done, and we look forward to many more such stuff. So anyway, I will like to hand over the mic to Ajay.
Thank you, Siju. Thank you for finally giving me an opportunity to speak. Okay, my favorite moment from the last 1 year at HOIF. There are many, but it has to be the trip to Kerala. And in that trip, the whole experience of driving in the Malabar, going after every city, town, village, seeing the football culture everywhere, stopping in between to actually see the grounds over there, that was the best moment.
So my experience has been a year, right? Like HOIF has been around for a year right now, and I've learned. I think the best experience I'll have to sum it up in a lot of ways. Mainly being that getting to meet a lot of Easter year legends and watching games and going to Kerala and shooting all of this. In the start we didn't know how it's going to happen, but it was like taking that step, and I think. I've grown as a person, and I've met a lot of new people, made new friends, especially within the Indian football scene. And the best part has been I've personally grown a lot in terms of making content, understanding social media.
And I'm back. When you spoke a lot. I think it's just staying with me. People also love talking and start getting to talk. But let me get to the point. Thank you to all of you guys for supporting us throughout. And if there was no support coming in, it also does not let us go ahead and put more work. And the responses we've been getting are great. And just as we initially mentioned, this platform is for all those people to share their stories and to share as much as possible that we can. There are restrictions in other terms, but coming back, guys, thank you so much, and for the love and support, continue to do so. I know you would continue to do so, but just saying and appealing and a kind request, कर दो यार, subscribe कर दो यार, प्यार से YouTube चैनल पे जाओ, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, फॉलो करो ट्विटर पे, इंस्टाग्राम में, फेसबुक पे. I don't know why I'm speaking Hindi, but anyway, I'll come back and say that please guys, we are looking at numbers, and I think Ajay is better in numbers, so he'll come and speak about that.
Thank you once again, Siju. So as Siju was mentioning, thank you for everything, and we're looking at the target of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. So please help us to get there. Also do follow us on our other handles, and we are right now editing, and we're going to come up with a lot of content. Obviously because of the lockdown, we've not been able to meet up and post a lot of work, but all that is happening, and a lot of new content is going to hit your screens very soon. So once again, thank you for tuning in. This is Ajay signing off.